Snapchat Spotlight has now got into our nerves with their delayed payout process. In this video, I will show you how you can calculate your expected payout dates. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. Before getting into the calculation process, if your account does not have the payout portal, refer to the video on the I button. Now coming to the calculations part, let's cover that with an example. Suppose you have uploaded a video on 22nd of April 2021. Then you will receive your first message, which is the dollars showing up in your payout portal by 9 to 11th of June. After receiving your first message, you can expect your Hyper Wallet message within 20 to 25 days, that is 29 June to 5 July. Now, you guys would be wondering how I am so sure about this. So, I am linking the most viral and most accurate doc file that has the records of all predictions of all Snapchat Spotlight payouts. If you found this video really beneficial, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Zionic. Thanks for watching.